What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can connect AliExpress to your Shopify store. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is you need to download an app. It's called DSers. Now this app lets you guys connect Shopify to AliExpress. As you can see here, guys, I have searched for it. It's called DSers AliExpress dropshipping. And the best thing about this app is it helps you guys. It fulfills orders automatically. Like I said, they ship orders to the customers automatically. And as you can see, guys, AliExpress dropshipping solution, the new standard to process hundreds of orders at once, faster than ever before, and find new products and suppliers to sell always more with better profits. With DSers, you can find cheaper suppliers, import products from various sources, find better and more reliable suppliers. Now that's what I like about DSers. It lets you do everything in an easy way. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, like I said, is to download this app. You want to go to your Shopify store. Okay, now as you can see, this is my Shopify store. Let me just log in into my Shopify store, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can connect AliExpress to Shopify. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the bottom left, as you can see, and you need to click on apps and sales channels, as you can see. Now after that, you want to click on Shopify App Store. Now after you click on Shopify App Store, you want to search for DSers. Okay, now this app, like I said, helps you guys connect AliExpress to Shopify. Now this is the app. Okay, make sure it has the same logo. It's called DSers AliExpress dropshipping. Click on install. Now after, guys, you click on install, you want to click again on install. Okay, as you can see, it says here in the top right, it says install app. You want to click on install. And in this video also, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can import products from AliExpress to Shopify. Okay, now as you can see here, guys, it says here your Shopify email address has been used to create DSers account login. Because I have already used my email to for DSers, that's why it displays this. Okay, now for you, you just need to log in. Okay, now for me, I'm just going to click on log in and authorize. Okay, now that's exactly what it does. I'm going to put here an email, log in and authorize, like I said. Now it says here log in into your DSers. Now I have successfully logged into my DSers, as you can see. You just want to wait a few seconds. I don't know why this is taking so long. Okay, so I'm going to reload this page and see. Okay, as you can see, it seems to work right now. It says here, are you sure you want to use the currently logged in DSers account to build and authorize to Shopify? I would say confirm. Yeah, confirm. Now you just need to wait again. Okay, so like I said, it helps you guys. It fulfills orders automatically. Like you can find suppliers, like reliable suppliers. That's the beauty of DSers. You don't have to do anything. When someone purchases an item from your Shopify store, DSers will take care of everything and they will ship the item directly to the customer. Okay, so I'm just going to reload again this page. Okay, it says here link to suppliers. Now for this, we are going to use AliExpress. That's why you click, guys, on this video, click on AliExpress, and it will take you guys directly to AliExpress. As you can see, I'm going to log in into my AliExpress. Okay, because I used I'm going to log into my AliExpress right now. Sign in. I always log in with Google. Okay, see, it asks me for my password because I don't remember it, because I log in using the Google. Now it says here we have detected that you are already logged in and can be authorized immediately. So if you don't want to receive a message like that, you just need to log in into your AliExpress in a new tab, and then they will detect it. Okay, and then click on authorize. So after, guys, you click on authorize, you want to click on save. All right, it says here, welcome, DSers system has been upgraded. Thank you for your patience during the system upgrade. We will continue to work harder to bring you the best experience service. Got it? And that's it, guys. Now it says here, Shopify. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can link your Shopify right now. So I'm going to find here where it says, I'm going to search here for home. You want to click on home, and you want to click on Chrome extension. As you can see, this is very important. You need to download this Chrome extension so that whenever you go to AliExpress, you will find a button that you can click, and then you will import the product from AliExpress to Shopify directly. So you want to click on Chrome extension, and this is the extension. You want to click on add to Chrome, click again on add extension. As you can see, it's downloaded successfully. You want to pin it, click here, and then click on pin, and you will find it here in the top. And then it says here, please log into DSers and try again. Now you want to click here, you want to click on the extension in the top right, and then click on DSers. You are not going to do this every single time you want to import products or you want to use AliExpress and Shopify. You are not going to do this every time. This is just the first time you want to use this. Okay, so you just need to you just need to put here your email if you want. Okay, so I'm gonna click on login in the top right, and as you can see, I have successfully downloaded the DSers and I have logged in. As you can see now, it says here, when I click on the extension, it says, please go to AliExpress to import a product. Your imported products will go to import list on DSers. Okay, now what we are going to do next is we need to go to AliExpress. Okay, now the reason why you need to go to AliExpress is you want to find a product that you want to import to your you want to import to your Shopify store. Okay, so you need to go to AliExpress. As you can see, I'm going to go to AliExpress right now. Now each product you click on AliExpress, you will find that a button that says import. Okay, now I'm going to find a random product here, for example this one for example. Now, if you notice that at the bottom it says here add to DSers. Before, it's not going to appear here because you didn't download the DSers in the top right. You want to click on add to DSers. It says here importing. As you can see, it says here AliExpress product import success. Now we want to go back to DSers. Okay, and you want to click on import list. I'm going to as you can see, this is the product that we have imported. Okay, and you can change a lot of things. For example, you can change the price, you can change whatever you want. Okay, so if you want to push this product specifically to Shopify, you just want to click on push to store, and here it says here select the store that you want to push this to. So I have 3 stores, as you can see. Now, as you can see, my own Shopify store, this is the username of my own Shopify store right now. It's called 34A775. Now, this is the store that I want to import this product to. And here it says here, also publish to online store, continue selling when out of stock, only publish product specifications. Now you can choose this as you want. Okay, after you click, guys, on push to Shopify, this product specifically will be imported to your Shopify store. Now each time someone buys this product from you, DSers will take care of everything. You just need to add the money to DSers account. Okay, and then you will use that money to purchase items automatically from AliExpress, and you will ship them automatically. Again, you will add the tracking numbers and stuff like that. You will add it to the Shopify customer inside your Shopify store. Now I'm going to go to Shopify. As you can see, click on products, and this is the product that we have imported. Now if you click on the preview an online store, click on it, and this is the product. Okay, this is the price. Of course, you have to change the price because this is the original price on AliExpress. You need to add your profit. And also if you are running Facebook ads, you need to increase the price so that you can get some profit. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Now if you want Desers to do everything for you, you want them to also you can import reviews. As you can see, it says here import reviews. If you want them to ship now after someone buys this product, as you can see, it's successfully imported to your Shopify. After someone buys this, you will have to manually go to AliExpress and buy it so that AliExpress will ship the product to the customer. Okay, now like I said, the beginning, Desers lets you do nothing. They will do everything for you, but you have to add the money to Desers so that they can buy the products themselves. Okay, now for that I will leave a link, or I will leave the video in the screen right now. But before you click on that, drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. It will show you guys every single thing you need to know about how you can add the money to Desers, how you can let them do everything for you, so that you can only focus on running ads. If you are using TikTok ads or Facebook ads, you can then have full focus on that, and Desers will let you will ship the product and they will do everything for you guys. Okay, so hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.